She's engaged and she's in high school or middle school. Like, what is... Okay. What's up, guys? It's me, Psycho Girl. How you doing? Welcome to today's video. It is the second installment to Gacha Life, a dangerously cute wolf. I wasn't sure if there was going to be another part to the first video, but it seemed like it was left a little open-ended. So I'm glad there's part 2 and part 3 coming at you soon. Here we go. A dangerously cute wolf. This is by Decoded. Check out Decoded's channel. This video took 17 hours and was 759 screenshots. Stress level high. I don't blame you, Decoded, because I know how tedious these videos can be to make. This is a 19 and 11 second long video. Here we go. So last we left it, the girl wolf was reunited with her original mom. She was adopted for many years. Now she's reunited with her mom. I love you, mommy, but this is my calling. Goodbye. I'm getting into a sports car. Mrs. Fujioka. Who's that? An angel. Treat her well. Oh, it's a boy. It's her boyfriend? A guy she likes? I wasn't sure if that was a guy or girl because it looks like they're wearing earrings. Not that boys can't wear earrings, but I just didn't know. Give me a break. Bye. Now presenting A Dangerously Cute Wolf, Part 2. Oh, he's carrying her across the threshold? Where are they going? Things are moving quite fast. What's going on here? Isn't this G-rated? She's like, where am I? What's going on? Hey, honey, our new house is gorgeous. Oh, so they got married? Some food on the table over here. Ooh la la, you shouldn't have. It looks like they're going on a vacation, or I guess they just moved in. You okay, honey? Yeah, this bento, though, just makes me sad. What? Why is she laughing? Want to go to a cafe instead? Can we? I think I need to lower my voice. Mm-hmm. Woohoo! I'll go change. What? Too much skin. Too much skin. Oh, he's mad. Much better. He's a little controlling already. Philip puppy. Hi, buddy. Do you always run up to random dogs you don't know? Babe, I'm gonna go get my wallet. And yes, I always approach dogs. Are you not timid that they could attack? Dude, I'm literally a wolf. Oh, sorry. Anyway, I've never seen you in this neighborhood before. What brings you here? Oh, me and my fiance moved in right there. Wait. Yes, you're probably confused. It's time that I explain myself properly. Thank you! I'm very confused. Things happened that weren't explained. For a few months, this cold and desolate place was my home. I hated it. It made me feel alone. It made me realize a darkness inside myself, which I'll discuss later. Ooh, maybe her and I have something in common. My flashlight in these dark times is real important for something. Who felt very sorry for the abandonment? One day they decided to release me. Hey, mommy! And then one day, I was scrubbing the ground outside. So pretty. I met him. It still doesn't explain anything. And so, there I am now. That doesn't make any sense to me. Hey, honey, ready to go? Yes, bye, Vincent. I guess that's the name of the dog. Cafe time. Why does she have a tail? Wow. Hinami! It's really you. Ooh. She's like, what? Don't ever go near my fiancé again! Did he just turn into a cat? Ooh, her claws were out. Did you see that? 2 days later. Babe, does this look good? It looks amazing. You're so ready for that job. Yeah, because she looks like she's wearing a trash bag. He likes her fully covered. Actually, that outfit's kind of cute. Bye, honey. I could do this. Whee, still got it. I'm just a dog that does flips and gymnastics. She looks familiar. My knee. Better head to my department. Wherever that is. This place is a mess. Go out for a coffee break. 30 minutes later. Were you waiting for me, stalker? Not me. I don't want to hear it. 1 single minute to explain myself. There's no reason. I'm getting married in 2 months. Let me explain as friends then. 1 minute as friends. Okay. Francis told me that you thought it was the picture that made me assume those things. But Sherry told me you had been cheating, and it wasn't Sherry's fault either. Sherry was forced by your evil sister to ruin your life. That was her stepsister. If she hadn't, your sister's evil friend May would have choked her to death. That can't be. Sadly, it is. Hey, don't cry. I need to go. Honey? Are you okay? I'm ready to talk about my past. Are you positive? No. Go get comfortable. I've got cupcakes and sugar and stuff. That looks good. Makes me hungry. You promise you're ready? I'll bet he's gonna reject her. Where should I start? The beginning. Okay. 3 hours later, because you already know her past. Well, yeah, that's it. Why is she all red? Sorry you had to go through all that. It's okay. My dad used to beat me every time I would shapeshift. I'm so sorry. It's okay. You make it all better. I don't feel so good. Oh. What are you wearing? Clothes. What is going on? Have a good day at work. That was really cute. She took his hat. That was cute. Hey, Mom. Hey, sweetie. How's it going? Great, we're all settled in. That's good. Hey, listen, I'm at work. I've got to go. Love you. Okay, bye, Mom. Love you too. I'm alone. What is her issue? After eating, then changing. It's okay to be by yourself sometimes. Cute dog. You love me, don't you? Yes. I need you to bring someone to me. Anyone for you, my love. Okay, I don't know his name, but he has red and white hair and is a shapeshifter. You can't have him! I hate being told what I can and can't have. Babe, get her. I don't even know who you are. I'll come back with May. You're dead when that happens. Okay, that must be the girl who was gonna kill her before. Aren't you that girl from my gym class? Yeah. We talked a few times, but I never got your name. Hold on a second. She's engaged and she's in high school or middle school? Like, what is... Okay. Mine's Todd. Konami. Anyway, see you later. I'm running out of voices. She isn't going to touch my fiance later that night. Hey, babe. Okay, first off, you look wonderful. It's really her. Why are you here? I'm working. Just wanted to say hey and check up on you. 3 shots, please. Oh, I guess they're at a bar. Coming right up. Bye, babe. Ah! What the? I'm so sorry. No, I was the one who treated you badly. You shouldn't apologize. But my sister forced you. How did you... Andy, can you follow me real fast? What for? I'm drunk and I don't remember where I put my phone. Okay. Life's just stressful right now. Tell me about it. Wait, darn it, where did he go? Who? My fiancé. You're getting married? It doesn't matter. I think my sister just stole Aaron. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Tomorrow will be the conclusion to A Dangerously Cute Wolf Part 2. Tune in, and you guys come visit me on Instagram, Minecraft_PsychoGirl, where I post all other kinds of cool stuff. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah!